DJM TV. DJM TV.
How much is for feeding per day, for instance?
As at now?
Yeah.
For the recruits?
Yeah.
150 naira.
Per day?
Per day. That's a 50 naira per meal. It's too meager.
150 naira for a day may sound unbelievable, but unfortunately, it is true. The call for lunch on a typical day. After the queue for their ration, this is what 50 recruits get to share.
It is difficult to describe what you see in the police training school in Ikeja, where you have cesspools next to kitchen. All sorts of terrible things are going on there, and the public is not aware of it.
Many of them have abandoned the dining hall. After all, it is too small to accommodate all of them. But the rat almost got them into trouble on one of the days our crew visited.
No, you know they can put for me small.
Announce that you will not be using the dining to eat. That somebody said, Madam said nobody should use the dining. Who is the person that instruction was given to? Let me see you now. The headmaster has told you, if you are caught eating outside, you're on your own.
For a healthy young man required to have the energy to survive the intensive training of a law enforcement officer, it is ridiculous to expect him to feed on 150 naira per day. Although they weren't permitted to speak to us on camera, during our interaction with them, we found out how they survive, albeit illegally.
If we expect anything good from the police, we must at least, give them something in return. You know, the way things are now is like you are expecting something from nothing. You know, it's next to impossible, for a man that has not been taken care of at all to come and protect you. It's not possible.
Many balk at their motto, police is your friend, while they cannot be blamed because of their experience with the officers of the Nigerian police. To change this trend, something has to be done. The earlier, the better for everyone.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website, www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.